To maintain a clean, healthy, and well-balanced ecosystem for your pond, dependable water treatments are necessary. We offer a complete line of treatments for algae control, chlorine removal, and other methods of water stabilizing.
Number one problem, algae. Our ALGAECIDE is the strongest in the industry. And what does that mean? It's highly concentrated. You get faster results using less product. One thing about algae is it will always be present because the nutrient load for algae to grow comes out of your tap that you're putting into your pond. The water that you're adding to your pond out of your tap contains chlorine. Chlorine will affect the gills of the fish. If you have fish, you always want to use Pond Boss chlorine remover or Naturals chlorine remover plus conditioner. It's enhanced with botanicals. What does that mean? Every time you utilize that product, it's helping with the fish slime coat. It just has other additives to help the fish. Pond Blue does two things. Tints the water blue, blocks the UV rays from the sun. It takes sunlight and photosynthesis for algae to grow. So you're trying to cut down on algae propagating in your pond. Pond Boss Sludge Remover, you want to utilize that when you have organic buildup on the bottom of the pond. As that organic layer on the bottom decomposes in the water, it's creating havoc. So you're getting ammonia spikes and nitrate spikes. So if you have fish, it's important you take care of that to keep the fish healthy. Is it necessary to take care of that if you don't have fish? Absolutely, because it's wreaking havoc in the water. If you just installed a new pond or you're doing a water change or a cleanup, you're going to disturb the pond itself. You're going to get dirty water. Using Pond Boss water clarifier, basically it will bind up those free-floating particles, make them heavier in water, and they'll sink to the bottom, giving you a clear pond. Pond Boss cold water bacteria. That's an important piece to the ecosystem of your pond. Basically, what makes your pond established and healthy is the biological load that's in the water. You're putting that in the fall and in the spring. This gives your pond a jump start to wake up for the summer. The Pond Boss warm water bacteria is designed to use in your ponds like the cold water bacteria, but when the water temperature is 50 degrees or above, you'll want to use the warm water bacteria. Anytime you clean your pond, disturb the filter, you clean a filter pad, every time you interact with that pond, just give it a shot of the Pond Boss warm water bacteria. Pond Boss Barley, liquid or tablets, provides you with an all-natural way to clarify your water. Most people, by the time that they're going to start using products, they're being reactive. So you've got a problem, now you've got to take care of that problem. We have a line of products that basically, if you utilize them and dose them according to the directions, use them like you're supposed to, your pond will be pristine.